So this video, this module, we're just gonna go over my favorite websites on credit cards. Okay, so these two websites, USACreditCardGuide.com and Doctor of Credit, is the best websites, me personally at least, for my opinion, that I use even to now on what credit cards to get. So for you guys, since you guys are barely starting your credit card or rebuilding, you're starting your credit or rebuilding your credit, I will go on to uscreditcardguide.com. So you can go on here, go to credit cards, and then there should be a beginner's guide. You go on there, and then it just gives you a little bit more information. Guide to FICO score, guide to best credit cards for grocery store spend, beginner's guide to credit card rewards game. So it just teaches you on how rewards work, so you can utilize that for free travel, etc., etc. For example, I'm in my Airbnb in Puerto Vallarta right now in Mexico. My flight here in first class was like $3.99, so I didn't pay shit. So it works great, especially with credit cards. Credit cards you can get without Social Security. Usually, those are for people who have ITIN numbers, who are kind of residents, but not really. But yeah, so you guys can go through it. There's a lot of credit card guides on here for you guys, so you guys can take a look at. So depending on where you are in your life, you can go on here as a reference and just look up what credit cards are good for whatever you're trying to do, right? And then Doctor of Credit, same thing. Credit cards, best credit cards for blah blah blah, right? So they pretty much are always up to date on new travel credit cards, grocery credit cards, gas credit cards, platinum credit cards, annual fee credit cards. A lot of those credit cards are up to date, so you guys definitely want to have both of these on your bookmarks, so you guys could always be up to date and see exactly where you want to be with your credit. So, like I tell people, you guys don't 100% need me, but if you guys want to get to where you want to be quicker, then yeah, you guys could hire me, whatever. So yeah, so this one, spending, best credit cards for ongoing everyday purchases, restaurant spend, grocery store, office supply, home improvement, telecommunications department, drugstore, etc. Charity donations, like it has everything. Sign up bonuses, that's how you get to travel for free, essentially. So if you have 100,000 bonus points and you have to spend $6,000 in 6 months, that's $1,000 a month. If you don't have $1,000 a month on expenses, then I don't know what you're doing. But it's definitely a way to do it. So it's money you're gonna spend anyways, and you get those reward points. Usually Chase, Capital One, Venture X, they have those kind of credit cards, and Amex as well. Amex is my favorite one to go. Citibank is good. Barclays is good as well. But yeah, so it literally just gives you everything that you need. Best high yield savings accounts, 5%, blah blah. Discover savings bonus, etc. So use these two for your guys' education. Educate yourself more on credit cards, reward points, all that stuff. Of course, I do have modules and other courses on how to, do it yourself as well. But if you guys don't want to buy it, that's perfectly fucking fine. I don't care. I don't need your money. I'm just helping people to, build their credit, educate them on the credit, utilize the credit, leverage their credit, and get rich. You know what I mean? Get financial status and financial freedom, and just buy back your fucking time, because that's exactly what fucking matters. I'm here in Puerto Vallarta. There's right here is the water, right there. That's the water. In front of me is a bunch of mountains and forests and land and a fucking river. Like, it's crazy. So I'm over here on a Wednesday during the week when everybody else is working. So um, it definitely buys you a lot of great time, and rewards you for your hard work. So anyways, yeah, utilize these websites so you guys could credit card stack and get funded, or if you're barely starting out, perfect. Then you guys know exactly what websites to go to in order to get the credit cards.